So our first project here in Costa Rica was to work with the leatherback sea turtles in Limon, Providence. In order to get there, it's a pretty remote location. You have to take a 3-hour bus and a 30-minute boat ride. So upon arrival, we quickly realized the station was in need of a large-scale repair. It was not our original plan, but we rallied, and the professors and students divided based on our skills and wanted to sort of leave the station better than we found it. So our pre-med and neuroscience students aided in treating the local animals that were suffering from mange and other pests. And our psychology students collaborated with the local residents to gather the needs for their homes at the stations, different repairs that they needed, which had really suffered greatly in recent years due to weather and sort of other wear and tear. This included hanging mosquito netting around the beds, repairing windows and doors, scrubbing and bleaching mold-riddled mattresses, and repairing unstable bunk beds. Really, we are Mercerians, right? And this is what we do when we're on mission. So we're really proud of being able to sort of be a part of leaving that place better than when we arrived.